them. Oh, those are quail eggs. We forgot to get you some quail eggs.
What the heck are these?
Ooh, duck feet.
Where?
Oh, this is duck feet. I think those are frog legs.
Frog legs.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Fun Phoebe and Penelope.
We were close. Yeah,
Go ahead. Pretty good.
When we leave, baby.
Hi.
Hi.
4, 2 kids, 2 adults, I called. Our baby. When we leave.
Hi.
4, please.
2 adults, 2
2
kids.
kids, 2 adults. Nope, you go on Gabby's side.
Do not touch that.
Don't touch any of these.
It's very wiggly.
Big chair.
Be careful, these are hot, okay?
What?
Let me see this menu.
And I can put the menu right there.
Because it might burn.
Because it's on the table.
Yeah.
That's weird.
So hot pot or hot pot and barbecue.
I know what hot. I like hot.
Kids hot pot. Kids hot pot and barbecue.
Dad, do we get to go up and order our own food?
Huh?
Do we get to go up and order our own food?
Yeah, we get to go and get our own food, yeah.
Okay, good. Look at this.
They have topping boba.
I know.
Hi, how are you today?
Well, thank you.
Wow.
Yourself?
Good, thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah, I get first lunch in here?
It is, yes.
Right, so
Yeah,
I'm
we just-
paying the barbecue.
Yes,
and
please.
Everything's all you can eat.
Perfect.
Awesome.
I give you one second, I'll be right back.
Of course,
Okay.
yes, sir. Those are drinks. Pop and boba soda. Mango, passion fruit, raspberry, strawberry.
Korean. What happened?
Soda.
You're so far away. How'd you become so far away?
I have no idea. You're really kind.
You look so Asian, Penelope.
This is hot, and when it steams, it sucks up the steam.
Is
Wow.
that hot yet?
So cool.
No, it is not hot yet.
Yeah. That's where they make the boba, huh? Come on, let's walk this way.
But hard. What the heck are these?
Oh, don't touch them. Oh, those are quail eggs. We forgot to get you some quail eggs.
Can I have one?
Not right now, because we turn everything off. You have to put it in the broth.
I know, but we still have. We could turn them on.
No. It's too late now. You already had dessert.
Well, I don't really care. I had fruit.
You had dessert already.
Whoa, Daddy, look up. Daddy, look up.
Oh yeah, that's pretty, huh?
Flash screen here.
Front face.
What the heck are
Ooh,
these?
duck feet.
Where?
I don't know. This is duck feet. I think those are frog legs.
Frog legs.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Scallops. Shrimp. Crab.
Where's duck legs?
Crawfish. Mussel.
Oops.
Veggies.
Yeah.
Watercress.
Oh, we forgot to get us an egg too.
Oh yeah, there was an egg.
This was just like the other place.
Tofu, bean sprouts.
I could have made myself big. What the heck are these?
Zucchini.
Oh, they're mushrooms.
No, don't play with it.
I'm seeing what they were. Fruit. Tomatoes. Whatever those are, they look spicy.
Seaweed salad.
Okay, maybe not my thing.
It's okay, sir?
Yeah, it was good. Thank you.
Ooh, what does that smell in here? Does that smell like I don't like thing?
Got
Daddy,
this
look.
over here. Ooh, peanuts.
I like stirring. I'm stirring the pizza pasta.
Okay. And we got this over here.
That's meat.
Lamb.
Lamb.
Briskets.
Biscuits.
Pork belly. Yeah, lean beef.
Beefy. And cow. Pig.
Fatty beef.
Fatty beef. Fatty beef. When did that name ever come out?
Yeah, it's fatty beef. Ice cream.
I really want to go just check out the bathroom.
What?
The bathroom.
Yeah, ice cream too, huh?
Over there, okay? Ronald, you've got to pay attention. Sausage. Okay.
They have that ramen, or what, that noodle too.
Yep. Perfect.
I want some ramen.
Okay, baby, hold on.
Want that ramen?
Okay, here, put it
hold
on your
on.
plate. Hold on, please.
You want one of those too? You can get full off of that.
Dumplings?
Yeah.
I want to try a dumpling.
Okay, hold on, baby. Sorry.
Don't touch it. Keep eating your local lettuce.
That looks good, huh, girl? You might want to drop your ramen in a little more.
Yeah, I couldn't reach it. You can put those in there too. Yeah. It's hot, honey. That looks good.
Mine actually looks dark.
Wow, that looks good, huh, Penny?
Mine looks done, Mama.
Okay, baby, I just need a minute.
Can you put mine in my Let's do smoky.
Is it good? Is the watermelon good?
$25 shipping.
Did you have a good time here? Yeah? Yum?
Okay, it's 9:08.
My foot's stuck. I don't care. I used to put it down.
Thank you.
Hey, I'll be back. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Daddy.
Thank you. Oh, there is no more. Sorry, love bug.
What?
Mint. Do you want the mint?
For stuff? Yeah? It's gonna be my end scene right there.
I love that.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.